In this video, I'll show you how to create queue-based reports in Salesforce, so you can see how work like cases or leads is distributed and handled across shared team lists. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right and opening Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the administrative area where routing and ownership features are managed. Use the Quick Find search box and type queues, then open the queues page to review existing entries and keep naming consistent before creating anything new. If needed, click New to define a queue with a clear descriptive name, supported objects, and appropriate members, because these choices directly influence how records appear in reports later. Once queues are active, go to the Reports section, choose a report type tied to the object you assigned to the queue, and use filters or groupings based on owner or queue name to analyze volume and performance trends. If expected report types are missing, permissions or object settings may need adjustment. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.